Hey Cubbies, it's your girl Melissa Danielle, and I'm here to do a swimsuit haul for you guys. This is in collaboration with Shein.com. Links to everything will be down below in the description bar. Any discount codes will be down below in the description bar. They're having like an awesome swimsuit sale. So like everything is going to be on sale. So it's a great time to go stock up on some swimsuits. I have a lot of different swimsuits I'm going to be trying on for you guys. I wear a size 2X in case you're wondering. So I'm going to try everything on. My boobs are, I want to say a 40 triple D. God, that sounds huge. It's either a 40 triple D or a 44 or 42. Girl, let me check my bra. I can't remember. So it's a 40 triple D for my bras. I'm not going to be wearing a bra in this video. I'm going to try everything on without a bra so you guys can see how it fits and how supportive it is. So Cubbies, I wasn't going through the process of giving you guys the names of all the swimsuits. I'm just going to put them on the screen here, and then I will list everything down below in the description bar in the order that I'm showing it to you. So this is swimsuit number 1, of course. So let's get into this. I ordered this in a size 3X. It fits amazing. It fits like a 2X would fit. It fits really, really great. It's super duper sexy. Like I said, I'm not wearing a bra. This one has pads in there, which they move around. I have to adjust them. I just threw this on. And then it has high-waisted bottoms with a little bit of rouging on the side. Then it has this crisscross detailing in the front, which is also super duper sexy and cute. And this leopard print, cheetah print, whatever you want to call it, it is popping, baby. It's popping. I'm highly in love with it. It's super duper stretchy, super duper comfortable. Like, I have no complaints about this swimsuit, you guys. It is just so cute. Okay, Cubby, so this one I also ordered in a size 3XL. I think all of them are in a size 3XL. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I think they're all 3XL. And I think this one came in like a yellow or a blue. It came in another color, I believe. I'll check and see. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. Anyways, this swimsuit is so cute. It's so comfortable. It's so girly, feminine, and dainty. They're cut pretty good. This top is padded. It has like little flowers all over it. It's really super duper cute. It's actually giving some good support, you guys. I mean, like, this is some good support. Like, look at that. Like, they're not going anywhere. It has pads in there that are, you know, the kind that move around. I love this color. I love this color. Okay, so this is a size 3XL as well. So 3XL. Look how vibrant this color is. And it's like that tie-dye thing going on. So this has padding in it, which one of them is like over here. The one's right here, one's right here. I'm not wearing a bra, so this is how it supports. It's really supportive. This has like a drawstring down here. So like if you want to scrunch this up and make it like that, you could, but I like it just like it is. I like the way the bottoms are cut as well, and then they have like a tie on the side. The support is great. The straps are adjustable, so if you need to really pick the girls up, you can adjust to make it tighter. This is so cute. So this is the next swimsuit. This is the first one that I have to say I don't like. It's not the swimsuit, it's just I don't like it on me because my back is out and I do not like that. Anyway, so this is like a one-piece suit. It has like hard padding in here. Like the other ones were like soft padding. This one's like hard padding, but it is removable. It has long ties on it, like long strings. So both sides are strings, and they're very, very long strings. You have to tie it across and crisscross it and wrap it. Like the strings are so long, like I still have like all this down here. Support-wise, it's not really necessarily giving support. Like the pads, I just feel like they're sort of there. Like I'm relying on myself for support right now. Maybe if I tied it, it's like super duper tight it in a knot, like maybe, but I don't. So to me, this one's not really giving a lot of support, just a little bit of support. It's a size 3XL. Fits great. No complaints about the fitting at all. So far, I think this might be my favorite swimsuit of this haul so far. Just because it's so cute and playful and fun, and I love an off-the-shoulder look. You guys know I love a lot of off-the-shoulder clothes, so this is really cute to me. This is a size 3XL. As you guys can see, it has like this little ruffle here, and it has adjustable straps, and then it has like a little top underneath here, and this has those movable pads in there as well. This one is giving a little bit of support. It's not like crazy support, but I feel comfortable. Like I feel good. Like I wouldn't want to wear a bra with this. These panties are really high waist. I love that because cover up the stomach, cover up the stomach. It's really, really cute, you guys. And then the ruffle in the back is really long as well. Is this not cute? Oh my god, I think it's so freaking adorable. And then the colors, it has like orange, black, like a seafoam green. I don't think my camera's picking it up. I'm trying to get it on camera. So it's orange, black, like a turquoise seafoam green color, white, and yellow. Looks like my camera is fighting with me on this. Here we go. You guys can see it better here. I have to start the video right here because I want you guys to see the colors. So when I step back, it sort of washes out. But this is how the colors look on this swimsuit. Very, very pretty and vibrant. It's not like over the top vibrant, but it's vibrant. And these are the bottoms. It's so funny, like when you pull them out the package, they look like thongs almost. But then when you put them on, they're just high cut bikini bottoms. And they have a thick elastic band right here, which I was worried about was going to be like causing some bulges. But it's not. It's really, really cute. Size 3XL. I think everything in this size is 3XL. And this is how it looks. So this bra, it has movable pads in there as well. The support is good. It's like a sports bra almost. It's really, really comfortable. It's not adjustable. Yeah, so it's like a sports bra, almost like a very soft, comfortable sports bra. So it's giving a little bit of support, but it's not like, you know, major. But it's definitely, you can wear it without a bra. Guys, this is another one with a bomb color. I think I need to start getting more swimsuits this color because I really like it with my skin tone. Anyways, this is a size 3XL. There is padding in the boobs. It's a one-piece suit, as you guys can see. It's hollowed out in the back. The straps are not adjustable. It's padding in here. It's the regular swimsuit material. It's very stretchy, very comfortable. Like, so far, all the sizes that I've had, they fit just like a 2X would fit, and they're very, very comfortable. This one is not supportive, though. Like, this is just like a one-piece suit. Like, it's just, like, there's no, what do you call it? Stitching in here to, like, sort of, like, you know, do this to your boobs. There is, like, a little bit of a shelf on the inside, a little tiny bit of a shelf, but I don't know. So, like, if you need support in the girls, you might have to wear, like, a bra underneath this. Like, it just gives, like, the tiniest bit of support. But it's very, very cute, very comfortable. I love this pattern on the swimsuit. I love the color, and I love the cut of the swimsuit. And, like, it's giving a little bit of a high cut over here. Look, a little bit of thigh action over here. You see the little thigh action over here? This is cute. So, this is this one. I think I have one more left. Yeah, I have one more left. So let me try that one on so we can finish this video. Okay, so guys, this is the last swimsuit in this haul. I have to hurry up and get out of this because I feel like I'm going to spring a leak any second now. So this is a size 3XL. It's so sexy. OMG, it's so sexy. So when you first get it, this part is sort of like loose. It's all done with this string. So like I wrapped it around the back, pulled it around the front, tied it in a knot. I'm not tying it in the back because like I feel like this kind of swimsuit, some random jerk will come by and try to snatch the string and your girls is going to be all out. So I will probably tie it in the front if I was to wear it. But you guys can see like everything is out. And it could be because I have bigger boobs, so like everything is out. Like if you have like smaller cups, this is going to be great for you. But honey, if you got big boobs, no. I love the color and the pattern, the print, whatever you want to call it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This color, I need an outfit in this color. I will leave links to everything down below in the description bar with the discount code. It keeps changing, so I don't know what it is right now. But I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in. I will catch you in the next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.